Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this video we are going to talk about friction. But before that, I request you all to please stay at home, and if only in case of emergency you need to go out, please wear at least 2 masks. If you are safe, then the country is safe. So, friction is the force resisting the relative motion of solid surfaces, fluid layers and material elements sliding against each other. There are several types of friction. First, dry friction. Dry friction is a force that opposes the relative lateral motion of two solid surfaces in contact. Dry friction is subdivided into static friction, also known as stiction, between non-moving surfaces, and kinetic friction between moving surfaces. With the exception of atomic or molecular friction, dry friction generally arises from the interaction of surface features known as asperities. Second, fluid friction. Fluid friction describes the friction between layers of a viscous fluid that are moving relative to each other. Next, lubricated friction. Lubricated friction is a case of fluid friction where a lubricant fluid separates two solid surfaces. Next, skin friction. Skin friction is a component of drag, the force resisting the motion of a fluid across the surface of a body. Next, internal friction. Internal friction is the force resisting the motion between the elements making up a solid material while it undergoes deformation. Now, when surfaces in contact move relative to each other, the friction between the two surfaces converts kinetic energy into thermal energy, that is, it converts work into heat. This property can have dramatic consequences, as illustrated by the use of friction created by rubbing pieces of wood together to start a fire. Kinetic energy is converted to thermal energy whenever motion with friction occurs. For example, when a viscous fluid is stirred, another important consequence of many types of friction can be wear, which may lead to performance degradation or damage to components. Friction is a component of the science of tribology. Friction is desirable and important in supplying traction to facilitate motion on land. Most land vehicles rely on friction for acceleration, deceleration and changing direction. Sudden reductions in traction can cause loss of control and accidents. Friction is not itself a fundamental force. Dry friction arises from a combination of inter-surface adhesion, surface roughness, surface deformation, and surface contamination. The complexity of these interactions makes the calculation of friction from first principles impractical and necessitates the use of empirical methods of analysis and the development of theory. Friction is a non-conservative force. Work done against friction is part dependent. In the presence of friction, some kinetic energy is always transformed into thermal energy, so mechanical energy is not conserved. Now let's talk about how we can reduce the friction. Devices such as wheels, ball bearings, roller bearings and air cushion or other types of fluid bearings can change sliding friction into a much smaller type of rolling friction. Many thermoplastic materials such as nylon, HDPE and PTFE are commonly used in low friction bearings. These are specially useful because the coefficient of friction falls with the increasing imposed load. For improved wear resistance, very high molecular weight grades are usually specified for heavy duty or critical bearings. Now, the measurement of friction. A tribometer is an instrument that measures friction on a surface, and a profilograph is a device used to measure pavement surface roughness. Now before we finish, let's talk about some household usage of friction. Friction is used to heat and ignite matchsticks. Friction between the head of the matchstick and the rubbing surface of the matchbox. Sticky pads are used to prevent objects from slipping off smooth surfaces by effectively increasing the friction coefficient between the surface and the object. So that was it for this video. I hope you liked this video. This was just a basic introduction. If you did, please like this video and subscribe my channel with notifications. And let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this. So, thanks for watching and please stay at